Let z is equal to a plus ib. Now the modulus of z is denoted by modulus of z is equal to, and how to find out the modulus is square root of real number square plus imaginary number square. So this is the way how we will be finding modulus of a complex number. So what is the formula to find out modulus of a complex number? Square root of real number square plus imaginary number square. Now we are going to see exercise 2.5, first question. Find the modulus of the following complex numbers. In that first subdivision, 2i by 3 plus 4i. So first let me assume this as z. So z is equal to 2i by 3 plus 4i. Now I have to find out the modulus because that is a question. So modulus of z is equal to, so for the full thing I am putting the modulus simple. We have seen properties of modulus. So in properties of modulus there is a property. Modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. So if we have a fraction and if you have to find out modulus, find out the modulus of the numerator, find the modulus of the denominator separately. So same thing I am going to use here. So let me find out the modulus of 2i. Let me find out the modulus of the denominator 3 plus 4i. Now let me do the simplification for numerator. Actually modulus means what? Real number square plus imaginary number square. But in this we do not have any real number. Real number is 0. So no need to write here a square. What is the imaginary number? 2. So I am writing only 2 square. Now let me find out the modulus of the denominator. Here the real number is 3. So 3 square, and imaginary number is 4. So plus 4 square. Now 2 square we know it is 4. 3 square is 9 plus 16. 25. So you will have root 4 by root 25. We can see both are perfect squares. So we can take the square root easily. Root 4 is what? 2. Square root of 25 is what? 5. So modulus of the given question is 2 by 5. Now we are going to see the second subdivision. Second subdivision, 2 minus I by 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i by 1 minus I. So before we find out the modulus of this complex number, first we have to simplify this. So let us simplify this. What I am going to do? Take the LCM. So the LCM is 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So this 2 minus I should multiply with 1 minus I. And this 1 minus 2i, I should multiply with 1 plus I. So that is the step over here. Now let us do the multiplication. 2 ones are 2. 2 into minus I minus 2i. Minus I into 1 minus I. Minus into minus plus I square. Similarly, let me multiply this side. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into I. Minus 2i into 1 minus 2i. Minus 2i into plus I minus 2i square. For denominator, we have seen always a formula. Whenever a complex number is multiplied with its conjugate, what is the formula? Real number square plus imaginary number square. So what is the real number? 1 square. What is the imaginary number? 1 square. So when we simplify, you will have 2 minus 2i minus I minus 3i. I square you will have minus 1 plus 1. I minus 2i we will have minus I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2 you will have plus 2. Now you can see this minus 1 plus 1 we can cancel. 2 plus 2, what is our answer? 4. Minus 3i minus I we will have minus 4i, and in denominator 1 square plus 1 square you will be having 2. Now if you observe the numerator, you can see we can take 4 common. So what you will have? 1 minus I whole thing divided by 2. I can reduce this 2 and 4. So I will be having 2 into 1 minus I. Now this question we have simplified into a small term like this. Now for this only we are going to find out the modulus. So let me assume this as our z. Z is equal to 2 into 1 minus I. Now I have to find out the modulus. So modulus of z is equal to, if you have taken any number outside as a common, then that number we need not take modulus, that number can be written as such. For this complex number only we have to take modulus. So I am writing modulus of 1 minus I. And the modulus is, how will you find out modulus? Real number square plus imaginary number square. So real number is 1 square. Imaginary number is minus 1 whole square. So 1 plus 1, what you will have? 2. So a final answer for the modulus is 2 root 2. Third subdivision, 1 minus I to the power 10. So let me assume the given question as z. So z is equal to 1 minus I to the power 10. Now this I can write as modulus, because we are finding modulus, so we have to put the modulus input. Modulus of z is equal to modulus of 1 minus I to the power 10, which I can write it as modulus of 1 minus I whole power 10. Because in the properties we have learned, modulus of z power n is equal to modulus of z whole power n. So using this property, I am writing like this. Now let me find out the modulus of 1 minus I. How to find out the modulus? Real number square plus imaginary number square. We have to put it in the square root simple. So square root of real number square plus square root of imaginary number square, which when we simplify we will get root 2. But we are having a power 10. So actually we will be having root 2 to the power 10. But we know root 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. Which when I simplify, I will be having 2 to the power 5. So our final answer is 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. Fourth subdivision, there is a product of 3 complex number. For this product we have to find out modulus. The 3 complex numbers are 2i into 3 minus 4i into 4 minus 3i. So let me assume this complex number to be z. So z is equal to 2i into 3 minus 4i into 4 minus 3i. Now I am going to find out the modulus. So I am writing modulus of z into modulus of the whole thing. I can split it as modulus of 2i into modulus of 3 minus 4i into modulus of 4 minus 3i by using this property. In properties we have seen product of the 2 complex numbers. For that, if you find out the modulus, it is equal to the modulus of the first complex number into modulus of second complex number. But actually we are having here 3 complex number, that says we can split the modulus into 3 times. That's why I have split into 3 times. So separately you will be finding the modulus. That answer will be multiplying it. So modulus of 2i. Here there is no real number, only imaginary number 2 is there. So only this number we have to square. So square root of imaginary number 2 square. Next, for finding the modulus of this, square root of, what is the real number? 3. So 3 square plus, what is the imaginary number? Minus 4. So minus 4 whole square. Now next, the modulus of this is square root of 4 square plus minus 3 whole square. Now this when we simplify you will be having 4. This when we simplify will be having 9 plus 16. And this when we simplify will be having 16 plus 9. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Root 25 can be written as 25. So 25 2s are 50. So this is the modulus of the fourth subdivision.